Well, here's my garden beds that I'm about to do some gardening in. I do a little TLC. I put some dirt in there. I'm going to get all my weeds pulled by hand. So this one here, I'm going to have some cucumbers in. This one here, I might have some green peppers, tomatoes. We're going to try some corn. We're going to try some watermelon. We're going to try some pumpkins as well. So some things are going to be new, some things are going to be plants, some things are just going to be seeds. But I'm going to go and take care of this. This is a strawberry area, but it's going to need some TLC, which I'm about to hook this up to and get ready to prepare that soil. Then I have my, oh, watch out for that trip hazard right there. Then I have my trusty worm castings that I'm going to use for my garden bed to give them a little TLC, because my worms have produced some rich, healthy, organic worm castings for me. So once I do that, we'll see what it looks like in about 78 days. All right, live in the Midwest, and let me tell you what happened last year. Last year, the temperature one day dropped from -50, then the following day it went up to 50 degrees. So you never know what the weather's going to be in the Midwest. And what I'm disappointed in right now is that I planted a garden last week and it was in the 60s. Then the next thing you know, the weather drops back down in the 30s. So I don't know if some of my plants are going to make it, so hopefully they do. But if not, I'm thinking from now on, the best time for me to plant my seeds in the garden is the week after Mother's Day, because hopefully the weather will be consistently 60 degrees and above, because this crud going back into the 30s is a bummer. So we shall see how things play out. So if you're a gardener, let me know if you ever had problems with frost and how you dealt with it. And what section of the world do you live in when you plant your crops? And what's the best time that you plant your crops to be ready to harvest during the summertime? I just want to take a few minutes out just to let you know that frost is a pain in the butt. But it'll be okay, because there's another way to do it, just by starting over. So I hope I helped you out with this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. Hey, have a great day. Bye.